The Earth, shape and size. Shape of the Earth, Pythagoras, 572 to 500 BC, a Greek philosopher and mathematician, was among the first to suggest that the Earth was shaped like a globe. The Earth is not flat. If the Earth were a flat disk, then the rising sun would have been seen at all places at the same time. But this does not happen. Places in the east see the rising sun earlier. When a ship approaches land, its funnel or mast is seen first and then the hull. If the earth had been flat, the whole ship would have been seen at the same time. The earth is a sphere. The earth is rarely oriented in the same position during the successive eclipses, but it always casts a circular shadow, thus providing that the earth is a sphere. A sphere is the only solid body that will always cast a circular shadow. At the North Pole, the pole star can always be observed at 90 degrees in the sky since the star lies in the line with the axis of the earth. As one travels southwards, the angle of pole star decreases. At the equator, the angle becomes 0 degree. This observation proves that the path of travel is an arc of a circle. The sun, moon, and all the heavenly bodies appear to be spherical when viewed from different positions. It seems logical to conclude that the earth is no exception. The photographs of the earth taken from the space proved beyond any doubt that the earth is a sphere. The earth as an oblate spheroid. Refined measurements of the earth have proved that the true form of the earth resembles a sphere that has been compressed at the poles and made to bulge at the equator. This form is known as an oblate spheroid. The various factors which makes the earth suitable for life to evolve and survive are: the earth has all the essential elements like carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen and oxygen which act as building block for the origin of life. The earth is neither too hot nor too cold. It has the right temperature range for carrying out the life sustaining chemical reactions. The earth has a lot of water in the form of lakes, rivers and oceans for the growth and survival of earth. The earth has enough oxygen gas in its atmosphere for the survival of living beings through breathing. The earth has a protective blanket of ozone layer high up in its atmosphere to save life from harmful ultraviolet radiations coming from the sun. Composition of earth percentage: iron 35, oxygen 30, silicon 15, magnesium 13, nickel 2.4, sulfur 1.9, calcium 1.1, aluminum 1.1, others 0.5. Biodiversity changes increase towards equator. Biodiversity is the degree of variation of life. It is a measure of variety of organisms present in different ecosystems. It is richest in the tropics. Statistical data of the Earth. The Earth, third planet from the Sun, is the fifth largest planet in the solar system in terms of size and mass. Age 4,550 million years. Mass 5.9726 into 10 per 24 gram. Volume 108.321 into 10 per 10 kilometer cube. Mean density 5514 kilogram per meter cube. Total surface area 51 crore 66,000 square kilometer. Total land area 14 crore 84 lakhs 29,000 square kilometer. 29.1%. Total ocean area 36 crore 16 lakhs 37,000 square kilometers, 70.9%. Total water area 38 crore 26 lakhs 72,000 square kilometer. Mean orbital velocity 29.78 kilometer per second. Diameter, equatorial diameter 12,756 kilometer, equatorial radius 6,378.1 kilometer. Polar diameter 12,713.6 km. Polar radius 6,356.8 km IUGG. Equatorial circumference 40,077 km. Polar circumference 40,009 km. Important facts of Earth. Highest land point Mount Everest, Nepal 8,850 meter. Lowest land point Dead Sea between Jordan and Israel -430 meter 1410 feet. Greatest ocean depth Mariana Trench in Pacific Ocean near Japan 11,034 meter 36,201 feet. Maximum distance from the sun at aphelion 152 million kilometer approximately. Minimum distance from the sun at perihelion 147 million kilometer approximately. The mean distance from the sun 14 crore 95 lakhs 98,262 kilometer 1.0 AU. Average diameter of Earth is 12,742 km, which was first calculated by Eratosthenes, the great mathematician. 29.1% of the total surface area of Earth is covered by continents land, while 70.9% is covered by oceans. The total water area of the Earth, including the oceans, lake, rivers, ice sheets, and the water in the atmosphere, is called hydrosphere, and it covers about 71% of the Earth's surface. Continents of the world: Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Europe, Australia, and Antarctica are the 7 continents. Mount Everest. Mount Everest was named after Sir George Everest, the then Surveyor General of India from 1830 to 1843 AD. Sir G. Everest discovered the location of Mount Everest, earlier known as Peak 15. Location of Mount Everest: longitude 85 degree 55 inch 40 second east, and latitude 27 degree 59 and 16. Taking average measurement of different places around the mountain range in 1954, the highest of Mount Everest, 8,848 meters, was calculated. With the help of GPS satellite, Geographic Society confirmed the height of Mount Everest, 8,850 meters, on 5th May 1999. Mount Everest is called Komalanghama, goddess of ice in Tibet, and Saharmata means goddess of the sky in Nepal. Sir Edmund Hillary and Tenzin Norgay were the first to scale Mount Everest in 1953. Messner and Habler were the first to reach Mount Everest without oxygen, May 8, 1978. Noam Gombu is the first person to scale Mount Everest twice, first with the American expedition on 1st May 1963 and second with Indian expedition on 20th May 1965. Noam Gombu is the nephew of Tenzing Norgay. Jim Whittaker is the first American to succeed scaling Mount Everest on 1st May 1963. Junko Tabei, Japan, was the first woman in the world to scale the Mount Everest in 1975. Bachendri Pal is the first Indian woman to scale Mount Everest 23rd May 1984. Lydia Brade, New Zealand, was the first woman to climb Mount Everest without oxygen on 22nd May 1988. Phu Dorji was the first Indian to summit Mount Everest without oxygen on 5th May 1984. Kami Rita Sherpa, Nepal, is the person having the record in his name to scale Mount Everest maximum 23 times till 21st May 2019. The Nepali tourist guide Kami reached on Mount Everest for the first time at the age of 24 in 1994. Jordan Romero, America, is the youngest male in the world to scale Mount Everest at the age of 13 on 22nd May 2010. Malvet Purna is the youngest female in the world to reach Mount Everest at the age of 13 on 25th May 2014. Raghav Juneja, Moradabad, UP, is the youngest Indian male to scale Mount Everest at the age of 15 on 21st May 2013. He was the member of the first school, Lawrence team, in the world to scale Mount Everest. Besides Raghav, there were 5 other students in the team. Arjun Vajpayee, Noida, UP, scaled the Mount Everest at the age of 16 years on 13th May 2010. Note, there is no age bar to scale Mount Everest from Tibetan side. Tom Whitaker was the first disabled person with an artificial leg to scale Mount Everest in 1998. Chris Bombardier, Denver, America, the first person suffering from hemophilia, reached Mount Everest on 22nd May 2017. Except Mount Vinson, he has scaled all the highest peaks of every continent. Antarctica. Antarctica is the 5th largest continent of the world. Antarctica is the only continent which is isolated and zero populated and is completely covered with snow. It is also called the White Continent. For the first time, James Cook, the English sailor, attempted to discover this continent, but he could not able to land on the mainland Antarctica even though he crossed the Antarctic Circle. The first person to discover the mainland of Antarctica was Fabian Welling Schawan, who came here in 1820 on his ship named Vostok. The first person who reached to the South Pole was Roald Amundsen, a Norwegian, in 1911. The first Indian who reached Antarctica was Ramchandraji, 1960, and the first Indian to reach the South Pole was Dr. Giriraj Sirohi. From 1981 onwards, the Indian team visited this continent frequently. In 1983, India established its center in Antarctica called Dakshin Gangotri in central drowning mode land region to study the structure, climate, fossils, environment, minerals, vegetation, etc., which was abandoned in 1990 because it got buried under snow. Since 1988, research base Maitri coordinates 70.77 south and 11.73 degree east is operation in the central part of Scrimmacher Oasis in central drowning mode land region of East Antarctica. The 29th Indian Antarctic expedition is conducted in March 2009 to study the hilly region. India established its third research center, Bharati, in Larseman Hills. The newly constructed Bharati station is located at 69.40 degrees south, 76.19 degrees east in Larseman Hills, Antarctica. Experiments were started here from 18th March 2012. The service period of the center is fixed for 25 years. Only 2% of Antarctica becomes ice-free in summers. The Palmer Peninsula is the only part of Antarctica which is ice-free to some extent. The average thickness of the ice sheet is 2 to 5 km. Antarctica is also known as dynamic or active continent because its shape changes due to change of season. Large blocks of ice breaks from the coastal areas and float in the seawater. These blocks are called icebergs. These icebergs are reservoirs of fresh water. Vida, a saline lake, is found under the 19-meter thick ice layer in Antarctica. Its salinity is equal to that of Dead Sea. Main vegetations found in Antarctica are lichen and moss. Albatross and petrels are the flying seabird found in the coastal areas of Antarctica. Penguin, a flightless bird, is the characteristics of this continent. The krill, a type of fish, is the only resource which can be developed. Krill lives in groups called shoals. South Pole is situated at almost in the center of Antarctica. In Antarctica, the sun is not visible between 22nd March and 23rd September, and it never sets between 24th September and 21st March. The lowest temperature detected on Earth is minus 136 degree Fahrenheit, minus 93.2 degrees Celsius on August 10, 2010, in a high ridge near Vostok in Antarctica and the East Antarctic Plateau. Previous record was minus 128.6 degree Fahrenheit, minus 82.2 degrees Celsius, set in 1983 at the Russian Vostok Research Station in East Antarctica, source NASA. The incident of ozone depletion was firstly discovered in Antarctica in the year 1985. Antarctica is divided in two parts of Queen Maud Range. The highest peak here is Mount Vinson Massif. Mount Erebus is the only active volcano in Antarctica. Antarctica is surrounded by three oceans: the Indian Ocean, the Pacific Ocean, and the Atlantic Ocean. The southern part of these oceans, which surround the Antarctica, are together called the Southern Ocean or the Antarctica Ocean. Its temperature remains below 4 degrees Celsius. Weddell Sea and Ross Sea are the parts of Antarctica Ocean. There is no coastal plain of Antarctica at all. Antarctica is also called the continent dedicated to science.